Hello friends. So now we proceed to the next chapter, and that is called as a ledger. We have already learned a journal topic, and can I say all the business transactions which takes place in our business, we record all this transaction in a place which was called as a journal, and we have learned how to pass the journal entries. Now suppose if I ask you, suppose I ask Kushal one item, that Kushal, as on 31st of March, can you please tell me how much cash we have in our hand? So what he will do? He will open the journal. Wherever the cash account is debited means cash is coming in, he will add those items. Wherever the cash accounts are credited means cash is going out, he will subtract those items, and then he will tell me, sir, this much cash we have in our hand. So answering this question will take some time. He won't be able to answer me quickly because he does not have a data in such form. So if we want to have an immediate or a prompt information relating to a particular item, particular expense, particular person, particular income, we classify journal item wise, expense wise, income wise, person wise, in the form of account, in the form of account. And the book in which all such accounts are maintained are called as ledger. Are called as what? A ledger. A ledger can be a loose leaf folder. It can be a bound register. So a ledger is the book in which all such accounts are maintained. So let us understand some basic theory related to it. Let us first see how the ledger looks like. Your ledger account will get divided into two parts. Will get divided into two parts. The left hand part is called as debit side, and the right hand side is known as credit side. Each side gets subdivided into four columns. 1, 2, 3. Again over here 1, 2, 3. I'll write the details. This is date. This is particular. This is JF, rupees. Again date, particular, JF, rupees. This is how your ledger account would look like. Am I right? Now let us understand the things in detail. Whatever were the transactions, business transactions, that got recorded in the journal. So that was known as entry. Now from journal, we shall transfer the data from journal into the ledger. So the process of transferring the entries from journal into the ledger is known as posting. Is known as what? Posting. जर्नल से एंट्रीज लेजर में हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे. जर्नल से हम एंट्रीज लेजर में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? पोस्टिंग्स. क्या कहेंगे बच्चों? पोस्टिंग्स. अभी ये पोस्टिंग्स करने के भी ना बच्चों रूल है. क्या है? पोस्टिंग्स करने के रूल्स. क्या है वो रूल्स? ध्यान से सुनो. डेबिट ऑन debit side, credit on credit side. Second point, name of opposite account. And third, amount of same account. Repeating again, debit on debit side, credit on credit side. Name of opposite account, amount of same account. ये है posting rules. Now I'll teach you how to apply this posting rules. Suppose there are two journal entries. एक journal entry पकड़ो. Cash account debit to capital account. And second entry पकड़ो. Purchase account debit to cash account. Okay, these are the two entries. Assume. Now suppose ये मैं account बना रहा हूं. इस अकाउंट का नाम है कैश अकाउंट. सारे लेजर अकाउंट्स बनेंगे. ये एक अकाउंट का नाम है कैश अकाउंट. अभी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट. व्हाट इज पोस्टिंग रूल? डेबिट ऑन डेबिट साइड. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट है, सो डेबिट ऑन द डेबिट साइड. सो आई विल गो टू द डेबिट साइड. नेम ऑफ द ऑपोजिट अकाउंट एंड अमाउंट ऑफ द सेम अकाउंट. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. Suppose for example I write the year 2021. Cash account debit. So debit on the debit side. Name of the opposite account. What is the name of the opposite account? Capital. Debit side mein whenever you are writing anything it will be to something. So to capital account. Amount of the same account. कितना है? समझा? नेक्स्ट एंट्री देखो. कैश अकाउंट क्या हुआ? क्रेडिट. सो क्रेडिट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. सो आई गो टू द क्रेडिट साइड. Jan 2. I go to the credit side and write Jan 2. Now whenever you write anything on the credit side we write buy. Buy something. Name of the opposite account. What is the name of the opposite account? What is the name of the opposite account? Purchase. So what I write here? Buy purchase account. Amount of the same account. That's how much. समझा आपको? So ये posting rules. Debit on the debit side, credit on the credit side. Name of the opposite account, amount of the same account. This is called as posting. What is that called as? Posting. So सबसे पहले intro. In order to obtain immediate and prompt information relating to particular item, expense, income, person, we classify journal item wise, income wise, expense wise, person wise. The book in which all such accounts are maintained is called as ledger. It is a bound register or a loose leaf folder. Ledger account basically gets divided into two parts. The left hand side is debit side, right hand side is called as credit side. Each part further gets subdivided into 4 columns: date, particular, JF, rupees, date, particular, JF, rupees. Then posting. What is posting? The process of transferring the entries from journal into the ledger is known as posting. What is posting rule? Debit on the debit side, credit on the credit side. Name of the opposite account, amount of the same account. That is called as your posting rules. अभी आपको मैं एक बात बताता हूं, इसमें अगर आप कॉलम देखोगे तो डेट पर्टिकुलर जेएफ. व्हाट इज जेएफ? जेएफ इज नथिंग बट बच्चों जर्नल फोलियो. व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड एज? जर्नल फोलियो. अभी ये जर्नल फोलियो होता क्या है? फोलियो मींस पेज नंबर. इफ यू चेक जर्नल, तो जर्नल में क्या था? लेजर फोलियो, एलएफ कॉलम था. तो ये चीज क्या है मालूम है कि अगर मैं एंट्री जर्नल में से जब लेजर में डालता हूं, तो मैं लेजर में जर्नल एंट्री का पेज नंबर डालूंगा और जर्नल के अंदर वो आइटम लेजर के कौन से पेज पे पोस्ट हुआ है, अकॉर्डिंगली जर्नल में आई विल पुट लेजर का पेज नंबर. समझ में आया बराबर से? सो इफ आई चेक जर्नल, आई विल कम टू नो वेयर द एंट्री हैज गॉट पोस्टेड इन लेजर. And if I check ledger, I'll come to know where this entry was journalized in my journal. It's like textbook and question answer notebook. मैं मेरे नोटबुक के अंदर can I say solution जहां पे लिखता हूं, उधर मैं टेक्स्ट का पेज नंबर लिखूंगा. सो मुझे सॉल्यूशन देख के मालूम पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन कौन से पेज में है. वैसे ही मेरे टेक्स्ट बुक में मैं मेरे नोटबुक का पेज नंबर लिखूंगा, मतलब मैं क्वेश्चन देख के मुझे मालूम पड़ेगा आंसर कौन से पेज पे, आंसर देख के मुझे मालूम पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन कौन से पेज पे. सिमिलरली इन जर्नल वी हैव एलएफ कॉलम and in ledger we have JF column. So looking at ledger, you come to know where this entry is on journal, and looking at journal you come to know where this entry is in ledger. Is that clear? This is what even I told you when I explained you something about journal. So have you understood? Now the debit side is 50,000, credit side is 30,000. इस तरह से all your, can I say, journal entries will get posted in all these accounts. Now all these accounts are generally balanced at the end of your accounting period, which could be monthly, which could be weekly or whatever. Is it clear? So the process of finding the difference between two sides of the ledger is called as balancing of ledger. What is that called as? Balancing of ledger. बिकॉज आप देखोगे तो डेबिट साइड में वजन ज्यादा है, क्रेडिट साइड में वजन कम है. तो ये जो बच्चों कहना है इसे इम्बैलेंस हुआ है, आर यू फॉलोइंग? तो उसको बैलेंस करना है. हमें क्या करना है? बैलेंस करना है. और ये बैलेंस करने के लिए बच्चों वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. Are you following? And that is called as balancing of ledger. So the process of finding the difference between two sides of the ledger is called as balancing of ledger. What is that called as? Balancing of ledger. Now let us see how the balancing of ledger is done. First we do the base total का line. नीचे से दो लाइन लीव करेंगे. बेस टोटल का लाइन बनाते वक्त ऊपर सिंगल लाइन, नीचे डबल लाइन. पहले ये हम कर लेंगे. नाउ टेक द टोटल ऑफ दैट साइड विच इज हेवियर. टेक द टोटल ऑफ दैट साइड विच इज हेवियर. In this account, can I say debit side is more? Write the same total over here on credit side. Now credit column का total 50,000 बनाने के लिए कितना शॉर्ट पड़ रहा है? So 20,000 इधर मैं लिखूं तो कैन आई से मेरा टोटल 50,000 बन जाएगा. So this figure is called as your balancing figure, which can get denoted with asterisk mark on it, or you can circle that figure, or you can just write bracket में balancing figure. Is this clear? Okay. So this is done. Suppose say at the end of the month. So this is Jan 31. Anything when you write on credit side, you write by something. So it is by balance. This is by balance. But this is the balance which is going to get carried forward in my next month. So I'll write BC/F. By balance carried forward. What is that called as? By balance carried forward. So this is a closing balance of cash account at the end of January month. अभी जनवरी मंथ का अगर वो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है तो वो फरवरी मंथ का क्या बन जाएगा? ओपनिंग बैलेंस बन जाएगा. सो दिस विल गेट ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड ऑपोजिट साइड 2021 Feb 1. Debit side, anything you write 2 something. So it will be 2 balance brought forward 20,000. To balance, brought forward 20,000. Have you understood? So what is balancing of ledger? The process of finding the difference between two sides of ledger is called as balancing of ledger. How to do the balancing of ledger? Take the total of that side which is heavier. Write the same total on the opposite side and find out the difference. Find out the difference. And the balance which you get is called as closing balance. What is this called as? Closing balance. Why this is called as closing balance? Because can I say that this is the balance at the end of the accounting period, and closing balance of 1 month becomes an opening balance of next month. So what balance is this known as? Opening balance. Have you understood? Have you understood this? Now one more point. Let us understand the nature of balance. Now can I say बच्चों कैश अकाउंट में 20,000 का बैलेंस दिख रहा है. क्यों दिख रहा है? बिकॉज सर डेबिट 20,000 से ज्यादा है, बिकॉज डेबिट वॉज 50 एंड क्रेडिट वॉज 30. सो यू आर गेटिंग 20,000 का बैलेंस ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ एक्सेस डेबिट. सो व्हेन द डेबिट साइड टोटल, when the debit side total is more than credit side, the balance what you get is called as which balance? Debit balance. Which balance? Debit balance. When credit side total is more than debit side, the balance which you get is called as which balance? Credit balance. समझ में? अभी ये कैश अकाउंट में आप देखोगे तो 20,000 का केनाई से यहां पे आपको बैलेंस दिख रहा है, बराबर है कि नहीं? तो ये बैलेंस जो दिख रहा है, इट इज ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ एक्सेस डेबिट. दैट इज व्हाई दैट बैलेंस इज कॉल्ड एज डेबिट बैलेंस. समझा? अगर क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल ज्यादा होगा डेबिट साइड से, देन दैट बैलेंस विल बी नोन एज व्हिच बैलेंस? Credit balance. So what is debit balance? Sir, when debit side total is more than credit side, the balance is known as debit balance. What is credit balance? Sir, when credit side total is more than debit side, the balance is known as credit balance. Have you understood debit balance, credit balance? Now if you check बराबर से, तो आपका ये बैलेंस क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है. तो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस यहां पे कौन सा बैलेंस दिख रहा है फिलहाल? एंड डेबिट बैलेंस दिख रहा है, लेकिन कौन से साइड में दिख रहा है? क्रेडिट साइड में. सो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस appears on opposite side. When I say it's a debit balance, it appears on credit side. But if you check, this is your opening balance. It is which balance? Debit balance only. Am I right? But it is appearing on which side? Debit side. So opening balance comes on same side. Debit balance on debit side, credit balance on credit side. But closing balance appears on opposite side. Debit balance on credit side and credit balance on debit side. Have you understood? So I taught you in introduction of this chapter. Posting, the process of transferring the entries from journal into the ledger is called as posting. Posting rules, that is debit on the debit side, credit on the credit side, name of the opposite account, amount of the same account. Then can I say we have learned the format of ledger. उसके बाद में balancing of ledger. The process of finding the difference between two sides of ledger is called as balancing of ledger. Then can I say after that we learned debit balance, credit balance. When debit side total is more than credit side, the balance is known as debit balance. When credit side total is more than debit side, the balance is known as credit balance. Opening balance comes on same side, debit balance on the debit side, credit balance on credit side. Closing balance appears on opposite side, debit balance on credit side and credit balance on debit side. Have you understood? Always remember one more point, bachcho. Real account always have a debit balance, because golden rule क्या कहता है real account में? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Credit what goes out can never ever be more than what comes in. It can be equal to or it can be less than. So always remember bachcho, real accounts always have a debit balance. नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स में बच्चों, नॉमिनल अकाउंट के अंदर देयर आर टू पार्ट्स, एक्सपेंसेस, लॉसेस, इनकम्स, गेन। तो एक्सपेंसेस लॉसेस जो होता है वो क्या होगा? डेबिट बैलेंस, बिकॉज गोल्डन रूल ही कहता है ना, डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस। सो ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस आर गोइंग टू गेट डेबिटेड. So that account will always have which balance? Debit balance. Incomes and gains are always credited. So that account will have credit balance. And similarly, personal account, either they may have a debit balance or they may have a credit balance. If they are having a debit balance, means they are our person from whom we have to receive money. It is an asset. And can I say if they have a credit balance, means they are the one to whom we have to pay money. It is our liability. Have you understood something related to ledger today? Okay. So this is what can I say a theory of ledger topic. In our next session, we shall go ahead with the numerical question. Till then, bye-bye. See you, everyone.